Parents worry very much about the quality of their children's diet. And if it comes actually from the child to actually want to try something new, then that's absolutely amazing. Parents would be delighted. My name is Lucy Cooke. I'm a psychologist. I did my PhD in children's eating behaviour. Got particularly interested in how fussy eating was helped by certain behaviour change techniques. Tasting alone is not the full story when it comes to learning to like and be interested in food. The touch of it, the texture of it, the sound of it when you're eating are all interesting and can spark children's imagination. My involvement in adventurous eating has really been to make sure that the science is built into it. In our experience, children who played the game tend to be more interested in trying something. So I think that's a really big thing for parents.
With the yum, yum, yum.